amazing teacher and I love you and I feel so much better after that.
I loved it.
Absolutely wonderful, darling. We all sound like angels.
And the harmonies sounded terrific.
I'm so impressed.
Julia and Maddy are fantastic.
I had a great time, thank you. The singing was wonderful.
I'm really pleased I came. Everybody's energy was fantastic. Thank you.
They can teach a harmony, 4 or 5 different harmonies, within 10 minutes. To people who haven't even been in a choir or sung before.
My heart good, it does my soul good. And yes, it helps me to sing with confidence because I was very shy and now I'm not. Woo!
I feel wonderful now. There's a great vibe.
Amazing, I loved it.
It was fantastic. Really, I feel wonderful afterwards. I'm buzzing.